The GC420 printer is available in two media handling configurations: Standard, Label Dispenser, Feed Button and Status Indicator. Printer power and wired communication interfaces are located on the rear. Power switch, DC power input receptacle, USB port, parallel port, serial port, external media feed slot, media cover latches, media holders, fan fold media stop, media guides, media guide adjustment, head up sensor, lower media sensor, platen roller, label dispenser peel bar, peel roller, label taken sensor, print head, upper media sensor, media tear-off edge,